Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find evergreen niches for Mesh by Amazon, Redbubble, or any other print-on-demand website. One of my subscribers asked me to do so. This is what we're going to do. And for this exercise, we're going to use the well-known Mesh Informer. One of my subscribers again asked me to use Mesh Informer to find niches. So let's get right into it. My favorite tool in Mesh Informer to find evergreen niches is gonna be the one that I'm gonna show you right now. When you click on the product research, you go to trend tracker. You click on trend tracker. Basically, this tool is monitoring the BSR of the Mesh by Amazon t-shirt, hoodie, pop socket, and so on. And so you can track them for 1 month, and you have to choose the average BSR that you are interested to track. For evergreen niches, what I like to use is the 3 month. So on the period, you're gonna select 3 month, and average BSR, I'm gonna go to 300,000 to 500,000. With this BSR on average, a t-shirt will have an average of 1 t-shirt per day, or maybe 1 every 2 days. Because I don't want to go to the very low BSR, because we are in January. If I take 3 months and below like that, I may find a lot of trending with the good, very big competition and so on. So when you are in low tiers, it's better to stay away from very huge competition product. Okay, very huge competition design. So you click on the period 3 month, average BSR 300,000, 500,000, and you click on search. So you will have, as you can see, up to 42 pages, and each pages contain, I think, something like 50 design. So what you have to do now is to look for design that are trending. We don't want to do this kind of brand. Milwaukee, what is this? Milwaukee basketball. It's certainly the color of the Milwaukee team, so let's not do it. If I go down, I can see, okay, so here we have a circular retro Labrador on a golden black. So basically a golden retriever, a dog with a circle retro sunset background. So let's check the competition on this for this niche, which is basically retro sunset and golden retriever. So we go to Amazon, and let's type in directly, without even looking for only Mesh by Amazon t-shirt. Let's type in retro sunset Labrador. Labrador. And I can see automatically retro sunset Labrador, mug, blanket, book, and so on. So let's say t-shirt. And we can see t-shirt. Type enter. And just like that, without only looking for only t-shirt from Mesh by Amazon, you can see 168 result for this keyword, which is basically a niche, because the niche is Labrador, but the quote as well is a niche. So 161, very good competition. And if I go down and see if the t-shirt are selling, you can see this one with review 581, this one 2 million BSR, this one 500,000, 300,000. This is the t-shirt that we saw earlier on Mesh Informer. And if I go down, I cannot even see any other one. Okay, so even if the competition is saying here 161, we can see that only the 4 first in the first line here contain Labrador. Okay, and even if I type in Control F again and type in Labrador like that, let's even type in directly retro sunset, because we saw that. So retro sunset Labrador, we can see 6. I can see 1 of those 6, but even from the 6, not even the one that appear here contain this keyword. The keyword is, the niche is retro sunset Labrador t-shirt. We can see that people are typing it on Amazon, but when I look on the t-shirts, no t-shirt is using this keyword. So it's by combination that Amazon is showing this design. But imagine that you create your t-shirt Retro Sunset Labrador, and you use this one in your title the way it is written. Of course, you don't write t-shirt at the end because Amazon will do it for you. So you start your listing by Retro Sunset Labrador, and maybe Labrador owner and so on, like the other person did here. And publishing, by doing that, you gonna have a good chance of selling. Now, Retro Sunset, to find the Retro Sunset is pretty easy. Okay, all you have to do is to go, for example, to 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗘, okay, and you type in Retro Sunset, okay, and you're gonna find a bunch of, let's see, even bundle. Okay, you can see Retro Sunset bundle, 20 Retro Sunset, 250 Retro Vintage Sunset. Okay, so this is how you find your sunset, your Retro Sunset. And then you can go again to Labrador. Let's look for Labrador here, and we can see a bunch of Labrador. Let's say Labrador silhouette. You can see Labrador silhouette. Okay, so now here is the thing. We can see that the competition here is 161. You are in tier 10, you have only 10 slots. Okay, if you create only one t-shirt with Retro Sunset Labrador, you're gonna compete. It's like one design against 161. Okay, but if you use your 10 slot, your 10 t-shirt, your 10 slot, so you create now 10 Retro Sunset Labrador design. Of course, you use different silhouettes that we have here. You use different Retro Sunset. Okay, so you create 10 different and you put them on Amazon. It's now you're gonna have 10 out of 161. And when we know that here the design that appear does not all of them contain Labrador and so on, so you are increasing your chance to make sale. So this is what you have to do if you are in tier 10. Okay, I'm giving this one for you for free. Create design on Retro Sunset Labrador using you can go to you can use 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗘. I have a link down below in the description. Okay, you can start for $1 for the first month, and then if you want to continue, you continue. Otherwise, if you continue, it's going to be $19 per month. But this is a very good deal, so I highly encourage you to do that. So that's what it for today. Don't remember, if you have any question, please ask them below. I will do a video on it if possible. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.